So what kind of sports do you play with your colleagues at Conclusion?
We just started now the new season of field hockey.
So do you play? Are you in the cheerleading squad? What communication difference do you experience in our day-to-day work?
If I think about your other colleagues, they will contact me always and they will always be like, hello, Yves. And then they'll ask, how are you doing? And then they will wait until they actually come with the question they want to ask me.
That's a very specific South African thing, because in South Africa, you have to observe the niceties of greetings.
But good that you tell me though, because I will then do that more in the future.
Bear that in mind.
Yeah, I tend to go with yeah,
Oh, that's you are so me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep
Mary, what, to your opinion, is the funniest or most challenging misunderstanding that you've experienced?
So when I travel to new places, because I'd never been to the Netherlands before, I like to Google what the food looks like. This time I didn't do that. So the food part for me was a shock, because the way we make food is it's a spread. It almost feels like a buffet and it's a lot.
Yeah.
And you Dutch do convenience meals. Yeah, took me a few seconds, maybe a day or two to figure that out.
What is your biggest dream, Mary?
As soon as you asked that question, I immediately thought about retirement.
Yeah?
I want to retire comfortable. I'm just touring the world.
Sounds very nice. Right now, my biggest dream, to go on holiday while I fly the plane,
That sounds fancy. I like aircraft stories.
Then you can come with.
I will be your first officer.
I have my first test flight next month.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, see whether you can get another one in September, and then it will be a plan.
Deal.
Got you.